Okay, so what we will do is, let's say 1 plus Redmi, these are different categories. Okay, so they are trying to give some bonus to their employees. Okay, they are trying to give some bonus to their employees. Let's say maybe commission to their employees. So how you are going to write? You will write.
Sir, regular question.
Okay, so suppose this product, right? So OnePlus, Redmi, and Vivo, they have decided to give some bonus to their employees. Okay, so what we can do is, if product equals to OnePlus,
Sales.
okay, product equals to OnePlus, okay, or so if product equals to OnePlus, product equals to, okay, so basically you have let me break it down. You have product equals to OnePlus, or product equals to Redmi, or product equals to, let's say, Vivo, then give 5% bonus. Okay, got it?
Yes, sir.
5% commission. Okay, so so what we can do is, if you have this scenario and we want to write a DAX for it, so you click here, new column, or you already have new column here. Here also you can click. Okay, so let's say commission. Okay, so that means if you see here, there are 3 OR conditions, right? Okay, in if, okay, in if, okay, within this logical test, the logical test which you see, we have to write. Okay, if we have now 3 conditions, in that case, so we can write OR. In Excel I have told you OR, right? OR within,
Yes, sir.
within OR, logical test 1, logical test 2. That means within OR, let's say product, let me actually let me give a short name. I'm just giving sales. Okay, click on commission, because since I have not completed this function, that is the reason why I'm getting warning message. Okay, that is the reason why I'm getting warning message. So what I'll write is, if product equals to, okay, if product equals to, let's say OnePlus, comma, second logical test, product equals to Redmi, okay, so comma, guys, see, when I'm giving comma, nothing, no parameter is getting highlighted. That means how many arguments this function takes, guys?
2, sir.
Only 2 arguments. If I give one more, it will throw me an error, because this OR function takes only 2 arguments. Let's say or bracket close, we have closed the bracket for or. Then think about if this is true, then in result what we will write, yeah, maybe 10% bonus. Okay, maybe then we will write, okay, 10% or 0.25 bonus, here 0. Failed to resolve product. Okay, got it. What was the problem, guys? Product, if I write product, it is sales of product, right? Yes or no? Sales table to product, right? Sales table to product. Now press enter. Got it? If the product is OnePlus and Redmi, then it is giving the commission. Otherwise, it will give 0. Got it? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, see, the problem is now it is not supporting. It is not supporting more than 2. So we have how many conditions? We have how many conditions here?
3
Three
conditions.
conditions.
3 conditions, right? We have 3 conditions, but it is this OR function which we are using inside if it only supports 2 function. I mean, sorry, 2 condition. Okay, product equals to OnePlus, sales equals to Redmi. Okay, so let me create one more conditional column. Maybe I'll write here commission 2. Okay, commission 2. If you have more than two conditions in OR, okay, if you have more than 2 conditions in OR, so what you can do is you can write if, okay, if I'll write if product equals to OnePlus, okay, then what you can do is you can use for OR. If you have multiple conditions, don't use OR function here, rather you can use pipe. This is called pipe sign, okay, pipe symbol. Okay, so pipe is there in your backslash. Okay, so backslash रो ऊपर बट येटा होची pipe, जो की रे backslash रो ऊपर होची pipe, एकुन the pipe. Then sales of product equals to Redmi. I got a condition. Then we have one more condition. Then we'll use one more pipe. Sales of product equals to, okay, what is that? Sales of product equals to Vivo. Okay, then give a comma. True means maybe this guys will get 0.24 comma 0 comma 0. Close the bracket. Okay, now this area also populated with 0.24 because see, it's Vivo. We have condition. Okay, we have one more condition for Vivo. If the product is OnePlus, or for OR we are writing double pipe. This is called pipe symbol. Okay, if see this pipe means it is OR. Okay, if this is OnePlus or this is Redmi, this is Vivo, then give 0.24 bonus, otherwise don't give anything. Okay, so clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, OnePlus also additionally wants to give some bonus. Let's say OnePlus also additionally wants to give some bonus if the OnePlus sales is more than 1 lakh rupees. More than 1 lakh rupees in, let's say, in Canada country. Okay, in Canada. Okay, like no sale is greater than 90,000. Okay, let's say OnePlus wants to give, okay, some 5% bonus. Okay, OnePlus wants to give 5% bonus if the phone is, okay, greater than 50,000 in Canada country. Okay, so the condition is country should be Canada. Okay, product equals to OnePlus. Okay, sales greater than 50. So OnePlus wants to give again, let's say 7% bonus, extra bonus, okay, to these salespersons. So now this is AND operator or operator? Tell me.
And operators.
Excellent. This has to be AND operator because we are saying if the country is Canada, the product is OnePlus, and the sales is greater than, let's say, 50,000, then give a 7% bonus to them. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll remove the filter. Select all. Here I'll select all. Okay. So I'll create one more calculated column, new column. Let's say I'll write OnePlus bonus equals to, if you write AND, okay, if you write AND, then if you write AND, how many, if you look at the parameters, how many argument it supports? If you look at the input parameters, how many
Two parameters.
it supports only 2 parameters, right? But how many conditions we have here?
3 conditions.
Okay, we have 3 conditions here, but the AND function which we are going to use here, it supports only 2 parameters. Okay, so this, then we should not use it. Rather what we will write is, if country, okay, country sales data country equals to Canada. Okay, ଯେମିତି OR ପାଇଁ, for OR we have used double pipe, for AND we have to use double ampersand, double AND. Okay, and if the product equals to OnePlus and, okay, sales greater than 50,000, okay, give a comma, result if true, result if false. If it is true, give 0.7% bonus. Okay, 0.7% bonus, otherwise give 0. Okay, see, the sales is greater than 50,000. Okay, sales is greater than 50,000 and country is Canada. Okay, okay, product is OnePlus. This was our condition, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So others we didn't get it, right? Okay, this was our condition. So if you want to, if you have more than one and more than two conditions, okay, then that normal AND function will not work. You will have to use, okay, ampersand. This.
Ampersand.
Okay. So now, if you go to 1 plus bonus, see, this is how you have to write. Inside if, write this, write again this. Then there are like three conditions. If these three conditions are satisfied, then we are going to give them 0.7% bonus. If it is not, then we will not give anything. Okay, clear? All right. So suppose how many countries we have here? USA. We'll go to transform. Replace values USA. I'm not going to use a very lengthy name. I'm replacing with USA United. Okay, USA. All right. Close and apply. Now tell me, suppose how many countries we have? Canada, Germany. We have Canada. We have Germany. We have Mexico. Okay. Then Mexico, France, USA. Yes or no? Canada, Germany, France, Mexico, USA. These are 5 countries. Tell me, if the different country wants to give different bonus percentage. Canada wants to give, let's say, 2%. Okay. Germany wants to give 3% on their sales. Mexico wants to give, okay, 1.5%. Okay, or maybe 2.5%. Okay. France will give 4%. US will give 5%. So how to solve this? Tell me guys. See, these are like same. See, if the product is this, if the product is this, if the product is this, you got, because here, okay, say here it is OR, and we want to give for all the, like for all the products we want to give 5% bonus, but here it is different. Here if the country is Canada, so here I mean our conditions are like, the product is OnePlus, if the product is Redmi, if the product is Vivo, then give 5%. But for each country we have a different percentage. Okay, for Canada we want to give 2%, for Germany we want to give 3%, for Mexico we want to give 2.5%, for France we want to give 4%, for US we want to give this. Tell me. Or how? If you use OR functions.
Double 5.
But how? Tell me. If
bracket or sales country is equal to Canada. Comma 2%.
No. Or inside OR you will have only Inside or you'll have only two conditions. Okay, that is the reason why we have used pipe. Tell me, what about others? What about others? Purvesh, Divya, what do you guys think? What approach we should use? So here we can use, see this or will not work because you will say country name equals to Canada, country name equals to Germany. Okay, Germany. Then you give, see Germany pay we are offering a different bonus, for Canada we are offering it in different bonus. You cannot combine this in OR operator. So previous was different. Previous the product was OnePlus, Redmi, Vivo. Then you are giving a 5% bonus. But here it is different. For each country you have different percentage. Okay. You have to write, guys. You have to write nested if. Kali jota mein day before yesterday, last session में जूटा cover करते nested if you have to write if country equals to Canada, then okay, give 2% maybe. Okay, jodi nohala one more if you have to write if country equals to Germany, then give 3%. Jodi nohala again one more if you have to write. If country equals to Mexico, okay, country equals to Mexico, okay, then we will give 2.5%. If country equals to France will give 4%. Okay, if country equals to USA will give 5%, others will give 0. Then these 5 brackets you have to close. Last session I have told you this, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is called a nested if. If inside if is called a nested if. So first it will check. It will go to the first row. It will check if it is country is Canada, then give 2%. If that in the first row country is not Canada, it will check whether it is Germany or Germany, then 3%. Mexico, then 2.5%. France, then 4%. USA, then 5%. Like that, it will check each and every row and evaluate what country name it is. Based on the country name, it will allocate the bonus. Okay, clear? Yes or no? But this is
Yes,
super hectic. Actually, to write this, everybody will be confused to write this comma, then where to write what again, country 4-5 times you are writing. So there is something called a switch case. Every programming it is there, switch case. Same like if, but it is pretty much easier. Since switch case, I think guys, I think switch case we have covered, right? Case statement, you know, in SQL, case when, right? Case
Yes,
is
sir.
case is covered or not in SQL.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is the same thing. Case switch case रे first you have to pass the expression. ମୁଁ expression pass करदेली, country pass करदेली. First column टा होची expression जोटी मु country name pass करदेली. तापरे first थिबो value, okay, को value रे कौन percentage, what is your condition criteria, then the amount, I mean percentage. So you will simply write it is Canada, then give 2%. If it is Germany, give 3%. If it is some other country, Mexico, okay, give 2.5%. Okay, like that you have to provide. So देखो, let's say we'll create one more column, new column. Okay, so here light. Country wise bonus, country wise bonus. So what I'll do is country wise bonus, I'll write switch bracket start karo. In the first I told you expression, okay, expression means co column ro data, from which column you want to read the data. So basically this is my country column. So what I'll write is country, country. Sales ro country column ro mu data read karibi, comma diyo, comma dela pe lokuchi value 1 result 1, value 1 result 1 एमती, value 1 result 1, value 2 result 2, value 3 result 2. जल्दी see value 1 means if it is Canada, then result 1 re, let's say Canada पे हमें how much we have defined, okay, for Canada 2%, result 1 re 0.02. If it is Germany, 3%. If it is Germany, Germany which value 2 and result 2 is how much? 3%, 0.03. Okay, then if it is Mexico, then comma, it is let's say 0.025, 2.5%. Okay, if it is France 4, US 5. If it is France, 0.04. If it is USA, 0.05. Close the bracket. Okay, enter. Got it? Got it, guys? The country wise bonus is reflected? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now in this case if you want to write it properly, alt enter, you can alt enter, you can write it, you can write like this also, alt enter for better readability. Okay, this way also we can write. So switch, the expression is country, okay. If it is Canada, give 2% bonus. If it is Germany, give 3% bonus. If it is Mexico, give 2.5%. France 4%. USA 5%. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
To go to their bonus value directly, uh, not 0.0.
We'll take directly. Then you guys have to tell me. Why would I tell you every time? You have to tell me. What should I write then? Let's create a new column and you tell me.
Canada into 0.0.
Canada into. How can you calculate Canada into? Canada is a text.
No. Sales value.
Yes. Let's say bonus amount. Okay. Then I think we'll go and go to country wise bonus. Let's copy everything. Bonus amount. Okay. I'll paste everything. Now here I'll have to write correct sales into got it. Understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts here? Simply instead of using 0.02, if I want a bonus, then I can write this. And if you want to create a final amount also, okay, so profit, then you got the bonus, right? You got the bonus, yes, bonus is separate, correct. If you want something to add something like, so I mean sales home or profit or bonus, whatever you want to give. If it is profits bonus, you change it to profit, okay? If it is sales bonus, then change it. It is sales already. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I'll save this PBX file, then I'll share it with you guys so that you guys can also practice. Okay. Clear, right? Understood. Okay. So now let's say suppose we want to see country wise product and average sales. I mean country wise average sales. Country sales, okay, country sales. If you go to this total specific column, values, country sales. How to find average sales, guys? Country wise average sales if I want.
So that would be average sales, then we can
Okay. Suppose we want product wise product wise average sales. We want product wise average sales. Okay, what is happening? Want product wise average sales, product, then sales. Okay, this is a average sales. You have to drag here, you have to drag the product, you have to drag the average sales, then you have to come up with, you can come up with this sales. So I'll do one thing, values, increase, bold. See, there is something called, okay, what happened? Yeah, there is something called format painter. Okay, so let's say if you want to apply, guys, if you want to apply this formatting here to here, I think you can click here, click this. Okay, go to format painter and drop it over here. The same formatting will be applied. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so basically if you want to apply formatting, okay, suppose here values, let's say text color is this. Okay, text color is this. I want to apply the same formatting to this visual also. What I can do is select this, okay, click on format painter and drop it. Got it? Same formatting is applied over here. Okay, so this is country wise, this is product wise. Suppose sales manager wise, if I want, I have to create one more visual. Okay, then these are my sales managers and their sales. If I want average sales, go here. Okay, if you want to apply the formatting, then you can do this. Okay. So now, so what we did is to just to find out average sales, we have to drag country and average to here, country first, then we have to drag the sales to here, then we have to click on sales. Okay, we have to click on sales, then we have to select the average or the minimum or the maximum. Okay, so these are like 3-4 steps involved. So suppose we will create a calculation, okay, so which is called a measure. Okay, measure means nothing but, see, there are like two things you can do using DAX. One is you can create a calculated column, which we have been doing, right? We are creating lot of calculated columns. Understood? This you understood, right? From commission to one plus bonus, country wise bonus. In the last session also I have told you if, how to use if. These are called, with this calculation you are creating a new column, creating new columns. Yes or no? So by using DAX, I have told you, you can create calculated column, and you can also create measures. Okay, measures means it is just a calculation. Here, every time you write a formula, it will create a new column. Okay, what measures will do is, it is just a calculation which will not take any physical space. Calculated column means it is taking space, right? You are creating a new column, that means it is occupying, you are creating one more column in a table, so it takes the physical space. But here it is just a simple calculation. It can be applied on a visual. How? Suppose what I am trying to do here is, okay, I'll just click on new measure Okay, when I click on new measure, I'll write AVG cells. I'll write AVG cells. Okay, then I'll write AVG cells, or I can write in capital letter also. AVG cells equals to, okay, write a function AVERAGE average, then I'm writing cells. Okay. 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 I'm creating 3 more visuals here. Table. Here I have one more table. Here I have one more table. Okay. So one is country, product, and sales manager. I'll select this. This is country. Okay. Okay. This is country. Okay. This is product. Okay. This is sales manager. Okay. And I want to apply the formatting. I want to apply the formatting this. I want to apply the formatting here. I want to apply the formatting here. Okay. So now I have 3 more visuals which is going to do the same thing: country, product, and sales manager. So when I have created the measure, which this is a measure, so measure means just a calculation. When I have created this measure, that means, so I have created this measure name is average sales. Average sales, what it is trying to do is, it is finding the average sales from the sales table. Okay, so now just drag this average sales to here, just drag this average sales to here, drag this average sales to here. Okay, are you getting the same output, or you are getting the different output as compared to the previous tables?
Same output.
Okay, so this is called a measure. So measure will not take any physical space in your table, but measure will make your life easy, because just you have a calculation, you can write a calculation, or you just drag and drop and up, it will be automatically applied. The filter will be automatically applied. This is nothing but your filter context, which we'll discuss it later. This is called a filter context. See, if you see, it is very dynamic in nature. When you have a card, okay, I have, suppose I just have a card. Okay, when I'm trying to find the average sales, I'm getting okay. I'm getting this as my average sales. Okay, total overall sales or average sales. Overall sales or average sales. Okay, overall sales or average sales. The same, if the same same measure which you have created, if I'm dragging it on a country, automatically each country wise average sales I'm getting. Okay, if I'm dragging the same on product, then I'm getting product wise average sales. Okay, if I'm dragging same thing on sales manager wise average sales I'm getting, how much sales they have done. So clear? Let's say if you have doubt, let's go and check it once in Power BI, DAX I think. This file or which file, I don't know. Okay, guys, getting 182.198, 182k. Are you getting the overall sales average 182k? which I'm getting it in a card? Yes or no? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if I go to Arpita cells, maybe I'll go to Arpita cells data, filter, I'll go to Arpita cells. Okay, Arpita cell row average, it is 165, 165.986, 165.986. Okay, yes or no? 1 plus product average. So 1 plus
Yes, sir.
product average is, you go again, clear filter, go to product and choose 1 plus, and products jette 1 plus sales heichi, average sales is 125006, 125006. Getting the same here. Country.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so country. Okay, so country is Canada. Okay, Canada. Maybe I'll check Germany. So Germany ro jete total sale hai ji. Now, if I clear, go to country, go to select Germany. Okay, click on OK. Then Germany sales, if you see, 225154. Germany 225154.69. Got it? So measure is just a calculation. It is not going to create a column. It is just a calculation, but it is very dynamic in nature. It will have, when I say average sales, total jette sales hai, from overall sales it will find the average sales. But this calculation, if you apply it on a visual, ask for the visual data, it will be automatically filtered. Okay, now this has 182.20. Now if I apply this on country, so country wise average it will find out. If I apply it on a product wise average sales. If I apply it on a sales wise average sales, it will find it. Okay. So clear everyone? This is simple, a very simple DAX measure I have explained you. So we will definitely go to learn lot of advanced DAX and lot of advanced calculated columns by using functions. Okay, I think I'll share this file with you so that you can practice. Clear everyone? Or any doubt?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so first you practice all the if, switch, okay, if case, switch case, multiple, and how to write and. Okay, I think we have everything here. See, bonus amount, this, then we have commission, how we calculated this commission 2. Okay, then 1 plus bonus, all these things you need to practice. So clear? Any questions? So because see, this is I can take more. We can stretch the session, but point is that this is all calculation formula and everything. If I continuously teach you, you will not be able to grasp. You practice this much with same data set. Okay, same data set. So what you can do is you can import this. I'll share the data, and I'll share this PBX file also, Power BI file. Then you can you can import the data. Try to create the similar type of columns in your Power BI. Okay. All right. So let's connect tomorrow. Tomorrow we will have class at 8. Okay, we'll have little early. Tomorrow we'll also continue with DAX. All right. Any questions in the DAX? How much we have covered?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, here we can use each function.
ifs
Ifs.
function that we can see, we'll have to check whether it supports ifs or not. All the function it doesn't support, but we can still check. View column. That's right. Ifs. No, it doesn't support. If you type here, na, automatically it will come, right? So if error,
Yes, sir.
it supports if error. Suppose there is a error whenever you are calculating, there is a error. If there is a error, you want to give a customized message, you can do that. But ifs is not supporting. Ifs. Let's say you're saying count ifs. Count ifs. Not supporting. Count ifs. Only count a. Okay, count blank, count rows. Okay, count x. This will cover. Distinct count means unique count. Okay, these functions it will support, but not count ifs. Okay, dsum database function. Okay, this it doesn't support. Okay, if you just type it, it will show you, but it has so many other functions also. Okay, it has 700 maybe 300 or 600 DAX functions, but we will know because there are, as I've told you, there are geometric or scientific or mathematics functions also that we do not require. Okay, we will cover the important functions. Scientific logarithm, you have trigonometry functions, you have some other scientific functions also. We will not use that. There is no point. Okay, I'll share this file with you. You guys go